everybody, it's Toy Collector, and I'm going to show you Make Me Better playset. Yesterday I looked at Toys R Us, and I was like, oh, this is a nice playset, and I wanted to do a video on it, so this is the day I'm going to do the video on it. I got some phlegm on my throat, sorry. So I'm going to show you.
Yeah, I can't do that again.
We have a reflex hammer, as you can see. We have an eye looker. We got a little teeth mirror. It actually can have a mirror. We got this plastic bone. This little pad. It actually comes with a pencil, but it doesn't come Sharpie. You have to sharpen. It comes with these nail clippers. It comes with these tweezers, and they can actually open, see? But I don't think it can grab things with it. So, it got this actually comb that you can actually groom the pet. A brush that you can actually groom the pet. This thing, you can see how wide it is and how tall it is. These scissors can't actually cut anything, so yeah. We got this very hot pink container. This yellow little container. I think this is a wax container. I don't know. We got some alcohol. We got a needle, but the numbers only go to like 5 to 1, but I think that one is like 1 to 5. Yeah. And the last part, we have this stethoscope, so you can see. And you can actually just like put it on your neck. And you can put it in your ears. And the last thing I want to show you is Sammy. She's a bright pink pup. She doesn't have a smile on her face because she's sick. It has a little tag on it that says Toys R Us. And when she's done, just give her the bone. She'll be happy. And that's it.